Alright, this is my shit right here.
Yeah, sure. You too, let's go. And nah, man, this your boy Chimp. Back here with another one, man.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Before we get started, make sure y'all tap in, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff down below, man. We finna get to it like you knew it. Hey, we got my man Sauce Walker, the drip god with the what it do. Hey, man, Sauce gearing up for an album. He say on the album he ain't sparing none. So shit, we finna see what he talk. Excuse me, what he talking about on this one? I know Sauce ain't never been one to not call out the ops or call some shit out. Hey, this, I don't know if this whole album gonna be like this, but the first one, it was like a different sound from Sauce. You feel me? Like different sound from him. It sound like this one finna be too. This beat, like this different. If you been listening to him, you know what I'm talking about, man. This sound like a... This sound like a video game beat. Hey, you see how he start hitting the hoe? Hey! That nigga say them drums get the bust and you hear them percussions. That's band talk, double meaning. Double meaning. Hey, come on, Sauce. Stop playing with him. He say, hey, nigga, them drums get the bust and you hear the percussions. We ain't here to fuck up the function, but nigga out of line, we gonna touch him. I'm in Denver with some nuggets. That boy at top go. Y'all know Sauce he gonna act a fool in the video, man. This sound like a video game beat, bro. But yeah, man, that was it for that one. That was Sauce Walker with the what it do. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about that one. Definitely feel like a different sound from the video game beat. Not even just the beat, but just the sound. Like, you know, I guess it sound like an auto tune or whatever, but it sound like a different sound we about to hear from Sauce. He said he got something coming on the album. We finna see what he talking about, man. But yeah, hey, Sauce doing this thing. That boy at top, man. I went to Top Golf. Boy, I was so trash. Boy, I was so trash. I want to go back though, man. I want to go back. They hell live. They let that man record a video up there, but shit. Y'all let me know down below how y'all feel. Till the next time, to the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.